हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टीसीएस एनक्यूटी का एडवांस कोडिंग क्वेश्चन। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि टीसीएस एनक्यूटी में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, मोस्टली टीसीएस एनक्यूटी में क्या होता है कि ये लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं मैथमेटिकल बेस्ड, स्ट्रिंग बेस्ड, अरे बेस्ड, एंड समटाइम दे आस्क अबाउट डीपी क्वेश्चंस। We will see each and every type of questions one by one. Our today question is from mathematical section. So the question is like an automation company manufacture both a two-wheeler and a four-wheeler. It is given to you. एक एक कंपनी है जो कि टू व्हीलर एंड फोर व्हीलर बना रही है। कंपनी मैनेज वांट टू मेक द प्रोडक्शंस ऑफ बोथ टाइप ऑफ व्हीकल अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन डेटा। फर्स्ट डेटा इज लाइक टोटल नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स, टू व्हीलर प्लस फोर व्हीलर इक्वल टू व्हील। सो इट इज गिवन दैट कि कंपनी दो टाइप के व्हीकल बना रही है, टू व्हीलर है और एक फोर व्हीलर है। And second data is given to us like total number of wheels. How many wheels we have, it is also given to us. The task is to find how many two wheelers as well as four wheelers need to manufacture as per given data. So here it is asked you to identify the how many numbers of two wheelers and four wheelers can be manufactured by the given data. For example, what is given to us? Total number of wheels and total number of vehicles. So let's see an example that how we can do it. So input is given to us like 200. 200, what is number of vehicles like two wheeler and four wheeler, and total number of wheels we have like 540. How many? 540. So output we get 130, and for two wheeler we get 130, and for four wheeler we get 70. So we will see that how we can code our code this problem, find it out two wheeler and four wheeler. Constant we have it is given to you. It's where two wheels should always be greater, wheels should always be greater than two. And if the given data is not valid, then you need to print the invalid. Sometimes it is happening in some test scenarios. The data given data is not correct. In that case, you need to print invalid input. So you need to remember this. Okay. So let's get started with the coding section. We jump to the coding. So yeah, we come to our coding section. So first we will understand what is required in our data. So we have to mm, scan two data, number of wheels and number of vehicles. So we do a scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. It requires a library, so you need to add the library. So library is scanner, our classes included. Now we write int v equal to sc dot next int. So we take the number of vehicles, then we write number of wheels, w equal to sc dot next int. Then we will take a float variable, float result equal to what? 4 number of into b. 4 into vehicle means 4. One vehicle have a four wheels. So we take four wheels, and we will subtract it minus w minus number of wheels. Then we divided it by 2. If you see this formulas, it will give you the number of two wheels vehicle, two wheels vehicle. Then we will give the conditions if w is greater than or equal to 2, and w modulus 2 equal to 0, and v should less than w. Then only this condition is going to be true. Then we use system.out.println, sysout, system.out.println. So here we will two-wheeler equal to, so we concatenate plus convert it into result. Then we concatenate with four-wheeler FW equal to concatenate number of vehicles. So we convert it in, and then V minus result. So this is handle. If condition is false, the given data is wrong, in that case we will print the invalid input. Invalid. So this is how our code is working. So let's save this code and run it for once. So here we run this program. It's asking for data. Let me give it the data. So number of vehicle B is 200 and 540 our number of wheels. So we get wheeler is 130 and four-wheeler is 70. So this is how we get the data. If we input some wrong data, then it will give you an invalid input. For example, we give the data some different data. Then the code, we give 100, we give 500. This is the data. Okay, this is how many. But in case if we put the wrong data, it will give you a wrong invalid answer. For example, 200, we get 501, and we done it. In that case, it will give you a invalid input. What will give you invalid input? 200 and 502 or 503. Hit enter. It give a invalid input. So this is how the code is working. And for other sections, like for string array type questions, please subscribe to our channel. We will come with those questions also. Thanks.